as we grow up and gain more independence, we are bound to make mistakes along the way. Mistakes can be valuable learning experiences that help us become better versions of ourselves. However, some mistakes can have serious consequences, setting us back in our personal, academic, or professional life. For young people, it's particularly important to learn from mistakes and develop healthy habits that lead to success. In this regard, we will be discussing the most common mistakes that young people make, in hopes of encouraging them to adopt healthier behaviors that set them up for success in life. 1. Procrastinating and not managing time effectively. Time management is crucial for success in school, work, and personal life. Yet many young people struggle with procrastination and poor time management skills. This could result in not accomplishing important tasks in a timely manner. 2. Giving up easily and not persisting through challenges. Young people often face obstacles and setbacks, but giving up too easily or not persisting through challenges can be detrimental to their personal growth and success. It's important to develop resilience and perseverance to overcome obstacles. 3. Failing to set goals or setting unrealistic goals. Setting specific, achievable goals can provide direction, motivation, and a sense of accomplishment. However, some young people may not set goals at all or set unrealistic goals that are too difficult to achieve. 4. Poor financial management, such as overspending or not saving money. Financial habits developed in youth can impact one's finances for years to come. Young people who spend more than they earn or fail to save money for their future could face financial struggles down the line. 5. Not practicing good self-care or prioritizing mental health. It's important to prioritize mental health and self-care to maintain physical and emotional well-being. However, many young people may neglect their mental health, leading to fatigue and stress. 6. Lack of communication and relationship management skills. Good communication and relationship management skills are crucial for success in personal, academic, and professional life. Young people who struggle with maintaining healthy relationships or effective communication could face difficulties in all aspects of their lives. 7. Engaging in risky behaviors such as substance abuse or dangerous activities. Young people who engage in risk-taking behaviors such as substance abuse or dangerous activities may face serious consequences to their health, safety, and future. 8. Not taking responsibility for their actions. Taking responsibility for one's actions is an essential quality of maturity and responsibility. Not accepting responsibility for one's actions can result in negative consequences and a lack of accountability. 9. Not seeking help or advice when needed. Asking for help or advice when needed is a sign of maturity and demonstrates a willingness to learn and improve. However, some young people may not seek help when needed, leading to missed opportunities for growth and development. 10. Allowing technology and social media to negatively impact their lives. While technology and social media have many benefits, using them excessively or inappropriately can impact mental health, relationships, and productivity. Young people who don't take steps to manage their technology use could experience negative consequences. In conclusion, everyone makes mistakes, but learning from them is what makes us stronger and more capable of facing the challenges that come our way as young people transition into adulthood. Identifying and correcting mistakes becomes increasingly important for their personal, academic, and professional development. By recognizing and modifying unhealthy behaviors and attitudes, young people can set themselves on a path toward success and a fulfilling life. The important thing is to acknowledge mistakes, learn from them, and grow to become better versions of ourselves with each passing day. Please, if you enjoyed this video, kindly like and subscribe for more. Thanks.